Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Pramod Nagaraja, the Gallivant. We are ready to go on a short holiday, and this is to Serbia. So in the taxi now, heading towards the airport. Okay. So everybody, I am in Terminal 3. It feels really great to come to Terminal 3 after a long time. I think the last we as a family came to Terminal 3 was pre-COVID era. So now we are doing a 1 week short trip to Serbia, right? So we are in Terminal 3, but it's not Emirates. It is Fly Dubai, because Fly Dubai, a couple of airlines, operates out of Terminal 3, and this is one of them. Yeah. So with all our suitcases, why Serbia and why at this time? Let me explain to you. There is a lot of calculation behind it. Yeah. So why I chose Serbia and what is the calculation behind? That will be on the way. Okay, we are through with the check-in, we are through with security, we are through with immigration, and now heading towards the gate. Okay, friends, since it has been quite some time that we went on vacation, the last vacation we went was pre-COVID. It was 2019 December, and it has been quite some time, and we thought, okay, we needed a break. It was hectic at work, hectic at following COVID protocol, right? So we needed some kind of a break. But in this pandemic, there is no right time. So you have to wait for the opportunity. You have to wait for some of the COVID cases to go down. You have to choose the country you want to travel. Right? Every country is not open at this point in time. So your whole travel gamut has changed. Right? You have to do a reverse calculation and say that, okay, which countries are open for tourism at this point in time, and do you have visas for these countries, and what are the COVID protocols in these countries. So when you do all this math, I arrived at this country, which is Serbia, right? Serbia is a nation which is in the Eastern European country or in the Balkans. Why I arrived at this decision was UAE and Serbia has, a air bubble agreement or a bilateral agreement during this COVID time that Serbia recognizes UAE vaccinated people. Yeah, the vaccination provided in the UAE is recognized in Serbia. So if you are vaccinated and if you have taken 2 doses 20 days after the second dose, then you are allowed to travel. So that corridor I've used now. So we are all, my family members are vaccinated. We were vaccinated back in February, so we are allowed to go. So I chose Serbia as the destination also, and from Dubai, only Fly Dubai is the airline that flies to Serbia. So we've chosen Fly Dubai. And timing, right? So there are multiple parameters. The timing, why now? Because currently there is a travel, a mood altogether around the world. There is a dip in cases in certain countries, not all, right? So whenever there is some dip in the cases, we make sure we take the opportunity to go and travel. COVID is always there; it has never gone. But only when there is a window where between two variants or between two waves, right? That's when you go on a short holiday if you wish to. But the risk is always there. Yeah. Thank you. What happened? So now we're walking. It's a long walk towards Sea Gate. By the way, guys, look at my shirt, t-shirt. Yeah, this t-shirt is meant for travel. Yeah, and me too. So it's a travel mode altogether. Fantastic. I'm excited. Right? My wife is walking next to me and she doesn't want to be in the camera. She's camera shy, maybe. Yeah, but then I'm not. I'm here for people. I'm made for people. I am a gallivanter, and I want to show people whatever I see. Right? So now, since we have passed immigration, we've passed security, everything, now is there straight to the lounge, have some breakfast, and then go to the gates. Strangely, we didn't have any time for the launch. We had to rush because the check-in took a long time. So we didn't have any time for the launch. We had to rush to the gate. We came to the gate. We boarded the bus. Although this flight, this flight is going from Terminal 3. Surprisingly, we had to board the bus and come to the aircraft. So there was no aero bridge. So we are still in the bus. We've been asked to wait. And the boarding is on. Excited for a holiday after a long time. Yeah, so be with me, and guys, this trip is about Belgrade. Yeah, it's about Serbia, Belgrade. So see you there. Okay. Yeah. Boarding now. Fly Dubai to Belgrade. Serbia, here we come. Yay!